Hello, hello, hello from Stephanie's DIY Yard. Today, I'm going to give you guys 3 products that you absolutely need to help sustain, maintain your lawn and your garden. Let's get to it. So guys, the first thing you need is lime. I use the pelletized lime. So it comes like in little balls. And this is going to lower the pH of your soil, lowers the acidity. So it makes a hospitable place for your grass to grow. And it enhances your fertilizer. The second product that you need is an all-purpose fertilizer. I typically use and keep a 10-10-10. It's just a slow release fertilizer. And in this fertilizer, you can put in everything. You can put in your vegetable garden, your flower beds, your trees, your shrubs, your hedges. This can go in everything. You simply use it once a month. It's fantastic. I can't tell you how many times I have homeowners that stop me while I'm working in my yard, in my front yard, and they ask, oh, why is your grass so green? Why is your grass so thick? I use this fertilizer, just a 10-10-10. And I did not have to go buy a $100 bag of fertilizer. It's simply unnecessary. Doesn't mean you can't upgrade when you can, but it's nothing that you absolutely have to have. And last but not least, you need insect control for your lawn. Your lawn will get bugs. It will get ticks, ants, grubs, fleas, spiders, and you'll get and these things love to eat up your lawn. They're either eating up your roots or they're inhabiting your lawn so that you can't enjoy it. So this is something you want to put down. This particular one that I like to use, it has a 6-month control. So I would get busy, especially with grubs. You don't want grubs eating up your lawn. You know, you spend all this time, money, energy, and effort to have a beautiful green, lush lawn, and those grubs can decimate it. So put this down early up before the season begins, and you should be okay. Now, particular insect killers, they kill particular insects. So sometimes you may need to go get a different kind of insect control. For example, this imidacloprid. This helps with mosquitoes. It helps with another host of different animals that just like to inhabit the lawn and just be there and be pests. This is very good. I like to spray this in my mulch to keep those kinds of insects down and away from me, so I can enjoy my lawn and my guests can enjoy the day and have a good barbecue, because I love to barbecue. When using these 3 products, it's important to put them out and water them in. With that being said, this is what I would like you to do. With us budget-friendly, budget-minded homeowners, everything costs, and we want to keep costs down to a minimum. So one thing you want to do when you're putting down your fertilizers, your lime, and your bug control, put it down when it's about to rain. Check your weather forecast. That's your best friend when it comes to things like this in your lawn. So your water bill doesn't skyrocket, because it can skyrocket having to water all these different things in. I always pair putting these things out with the weather. I'm in Georgia, and we are in a period of days where it's going to be raining for several days. This is the optimal time to put out your lime, your fertilizer, and your granular bug control so that it gets watered into the lawn. Don't put it out when you know there's no water coming, unless of course you want to take that time and water it in yourself, which is perfectly fine. I like to keep my water bill low, and I suspect you do too. So that's that good tidbit for keeping costs low when it comes to watering it in, and great tidbit for great products that don't cost a lot of money. So I'm going to link these products in my description, and I hope you like and subscribe and continue to follow me as we journey into spring and summer. It's gonna be great. Our lawn's gonna look fantastic. Your friends will be like, oh my God, what have you done? And you'll just say, I follow Stephanie.